Today's English at the South Bank, and it's an annual literary tours and employability day. We share with our students our experience and literary heritage. This morning, we went around different places that we studied on the course. I found really interesting, like all these places kind of came to life.
Experiencing literature in context, I guess.
I think it's really important that we just take our study and the learning and our subject out of the classroom. It was really interesting to get like a new perspective on London.
I think it was kind of like bridging the gap between written literature and visual art.
Ed from the Career Service comes, talks to us about transferable skills, and we hear from some of our alumni, people who have recently graduated, to tell us about their experiences of employment, and they give tips and advice to our current students.
I'm here today. I've been talking to current students about that transition from going to university into the working world.
I found this event when I was a student really helpful and quite inspiring.
We set up these events so that we can talk about your whole degree and study experience and how that joins up to life after graduation. It's our responsibility to set you up for life afterwards and to show you how your study equips you for really good careers.